how to add custom tokens on Metamask. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll be learning how you can add your custom tokens on Metamask. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to launch your Metamask extension, just like I have done here. And you must note that Metamask now offers an enhanced token detection feature on various networks. So to add custom token is very simpler or than before. So once you have logged in into your MetaMask extension, scroll down to the right side, left side, sorry, and then click on import tokens. Then in the box displayed, ensure you select custom tokens. After selecting custom tokens, you can see token contract address. So here, the next thing to do is to enter in the token address here. Alright, so after entering in the custom token address, you click on next, and then you'll be taken to the page where the token symbol and decimals will autofill, and then it will be verified. So once the verification is completed and the token are confirmed to be correct, click on add custom token, and then just like that, those tokens will be added as custom tokens to your MetaMask wallet. Just like that, very simple. Ensure you try this out as soon as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.